Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to teach you or show you the way how you can make money on Impact Affiliate. I will show you multiple ways how you can choose a brand and then what are the strategies to promote that brand. So let's start. Now when you would come here, I'm going to show you my reports here on our overview, and I will just go on March. I'm in multiple affiliate website, and this could couple hundreds of sales a month. 400 euro, action earnings 138, so that's pretty good. And right now I just need to refresh it, but this is pretty much it how I did it. And I can click view all here, and again I will just go to 2020 and look at this, apply. 142 euro is I did nothing, I just shared the links. But if you're gonna work on it every single day for multiple brands, then I really believe that you would make a lot of money. Impact is a good affiliate website that you can use. And when you would come to how it works, you come to Impact, and let's say I'm going to choose financial. You need to really set up well your description and about you, and you need to have good website, because plenty of companies won't even approve you. This is what I don't really like, that I would have much more money right now and the earnings would be much bigger, but I didn't align with their, with their ideal affiliate partner. So therefore they didn't approve me, only because I make content about literally everything, and I just don't make content only about, let's say, crypto, right? I make also about finances, then I make also about project management, and then they see that, okay, we want only someone who creates content only about this. So that's something that I recommend for you to do, that even when you want to create a multiple, I don't know what I would do if you want to, let's say that if you have e-commerce blogging website, just have it for e-commerce, nothing else. That's what I would do if I would be starting out right now. Then also, if you want to go for crypto, have a crypto website or crypto YouTube channel. Don't combine it like I did. That's something I learned. So yeah, because I lost money on corporations. So when you would come here to BlockFi offers crypto interest earnings, you can simply come here and apply. I'm already with the BlockFi, so I don't really have to do it, but I will just, for the sake of the video, I will click here, apply here, click apply. I understand, continue. And I think that I'm from Slovakia, therefore they didn't approve me. Who knows? There is some reason for they didn't approve me. And this is what will happen a lot. So I can even find, Envanto. What really helped me, that if you want to work with someone, just write them email. Also, just write their ideas that you have that apply for the cooperation, and then just write an email to them, so they will approve you. So this is how you can easily find plenty of companies. You can go to Marketplace, and then you can go even to Computers Electronics. My recommendation is definitely read how much money you can actually earn from it. So you can see that, okay, we gotta see the app sale, online sale, 8%, which is pretty good. But some of them also even offer 15%, or just for transactions. So that can be even more. So that's something you should definitely keep in mind. Now, how we can actually promote it. So you can write blogs, you can share your links on Quora, Reddit. My recommendation, the best, I think, how we can make money is with blogs, but you can create also YouTube videos where you're gonna mention the company or make a review of the company, and you can just say, if you enjoy this review, you can simply use the link down below description, and by the link you will support me and my work. So that's what you can do, and that's what is really damn effective. And that's the first way how we can actually achieve and get more money from Impact. So that's what I would personally do. Right now I earn what's that, few euros here and there per month, which is good, because I don't promote it that much. I just know how it works. I have different affiliate websites, but I wanted to make this video so you know what to do and how to work with Impact. You just come here to YouTube video, and let's say that I can come here and let's say that I'm going to financial, and you can go even to dating and romance, and I see that, okay, we got a FIL, and we can review. So this is not that really great. Bitflyer, look at this. Review. See? And this is not a lot of competition right here. So that's something you should definitely do. And you can search just like see Breeze here, Cleo, bank account connected. Review, and you can make a video about it or just write a blog. See, this is a little bit of competition right here. But you see that, okay, they got plenty of views here. So these 3 are good, these 4, and I would probably can get to the top 3 with my video. And this was made 2019, so that will be like not that hard in my opinion. So this is how we can make money too. And you can see plenty of, like, let's say to dating and romance. And now I see plenty of companies that I can promote too. And yeah, the another way, what I recommend for you to do, guys, is just like install, I will show you a program, one more. Install this tool called, how it's called, this tool? Keywords Everywhere. Keywords Everywhere is a perfect tool based on which you can see the popularity of the website, because plenty of companies on impact or on affiliate programs are there. They have good even affiliate partnerships. They offer you good partnerships, but they're not really that great. So always check out the company if it's actually popular, if people are using it, because right now when I would go to and use Jumblo, see the popularity of it. This is a company, and we go to Shopify, right? And Shopify is pretty popular. Look at this. Look at WordPress. Plenty of people are still making videos on WordPress, but look at the popularity of WordPress. Yes, in 2012-13 they were perfect, but look at this, 2021. I mean, people are still using it. Yes, but comparing to 7-8 years ago, Squarespace and Shopify with the e-commerce are completely dominating WordPress. So I don't know if I will be making again videos about WordPress that much. I'll be trying to find companies like, let's say, Squarespace, and create content and everything around that, right? See, the popularity rose quickly. And we can just, you can simply search those keywords. Weebly. See, Weebly is not that popular anymore. Magento. Magento is good. These are like web developer platforms. And you can simply go like this. So we can go to financial, like this thing, and we can go even to, but some like crypto, I'll be really careful about it, because crypto is rising right now, but it was for 3 years, it was completely dead. So when I would come here and I would just write Coinbase, look at this, look at the graph. Coinbase was damn popular in 2017 when there was a peak, but right now it's again popular because it's peak. But look at the popularity for 3 years. Plenty of people, oh, my camera went off. Plenty of people lost money, and then they were like, oh my god, what I'm going to do? They stopped being interested in crypto. Coinbase, Binance too, and every single crypto that I see right now, it was popular, but it dropped. But right now it's a gain. So this is pretty much it, how it works. And you can see also the Binance term. And we can go worldwide. See? I don't know, maybe we'll get on this level. Who knows? But this is pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. Impact is a good website that you can get more affiliate cooperations. What you just have to do is just like come to home. And let me show you, get a link, create, and let's say Canva, and we have a link here, and I will just copy it and use it. And this is pretty much how we can use money on, and how we can make money on Impact. So thank you very much, guys. Have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.